welcome back to my channel. I am Jaspreet. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So I am here to let you know that I host free special live classes daily on Unacademy at 7 p.m. and I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and on Monday, that is 5th and 7th March sharp at 7 p.m. Now we are ending the chapter of charges, that is chapter number 5 of company law, and today we will be doing the last topic, that is the case laws related to the chapter of charges. Yes, today we will be discussing all the case laws that relate to the chapter of charges sharp at 7 p.m. and on Monday, that is on 7th, we will be revising all the form numbers, their names, their numbers, and why they are filed, when they are filed. It's just like a revision from chapter number 1 to chapter number 5 of company law. So yes, it will be really helpful for you if you are revising or even if you are preparing. It will be just like a revisional session for all of you. Let me tell you, these classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS, and the class links to both the classes are in the description box below, so make sure you click on that and click notify me so that before the class begins you get notified. And I hope that all of you know that Unacademy offers awesome batches for CA, CS as well as CMA students. And especially if you are a CS students, the batch links of your batches are in the description box below. Make sure you check them once, and if you plan to get subscription, do use my code CSJAS to avail flat 10% discount. And other than that, a special 10% price drop is running on the website till 5th March. So in case you get a subscription for CS Executive till 5th March, you will get a 10% of price drop as well as 10% off by using my code CSJAS. And if you take a subscription using my code CSJAS, then you will get an opportunity to have a one-on-one call with me. It's a one-on-one mentorship call, and to schedule a call, you have to take a subscription using my code CSJAS and take the screenshot of that subscription in which my code should be visible. Send that screenshot to me on my Telegram link. The Telegram link will be in the description box below, and then we can schedule the call. So I hope that you take the subscription, avail the benefit, and schedule a call with me. The one-on-one mentorship call offer is valid till 10th March only. So avail the offer and schedule the call. So looking forward to all of you joining to my classes today and on Monday sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.